What? Don't put your hands in it. Don't put your hands in it. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Now for today's video, we are trying a new brand. This video is brought to you by IDNHair or IDNHair, and they have sent me this gorgeous unit right here that I'm going to slay with y'all for my birthday. Yes, it is your girl's birthday today. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to me. Oh, I need some water. Hold on. Your girl is thirsty. When I tell y'all that I am feeling how I am looking, I am feeling good, I am feeling great. I'm still a little sick, but that will not deter, okay, me going out and slaying this look, okay? Because people need to see me. Tarjay, I'm coming. But anyway, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, if you can't already tell, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from IDNHair. I Define Natural Hair is the brand. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. They are having a sale right now until the end of the month, so I suggest you go ahead and get in on those deals, okay? We'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 360 to get my lace together, just because, you know, I need to tint it just a little bit. Slamming my door. But the lace does come with bleached knots, and it is pre-plucked as well, so I don't gotta use too much product, and I shouldn't have to do a lot of work on this wig. Now I know this lace is gonna blend in really well based on how thin it is and how these edges are crinkling. You can't see it, but let me show you guys on my hand really quick. When it's cut like this, you see those frayed edges, you know it's gonna be some thin meltable lace. That's how I know my lace is good. Now it does come with the elastic band attached as well as the adjustable straps. I'm going to take off the adjustable straps and use the elastic band to see how this fits on my head. Feels a little tight. Let me loosen this a little bit. Okay, there's that one. There we go. That's on. Hold on, can I get it on my head? Lord, I can't get this on my head. What's happening? The comb was stuck on the side of my head. Okay, that elastic band is irritating me. Y'all, when I say I don't have the patience for that, I'm trying to get the look so I can get to dinner. So I'm just gonna use the adjustable straps on the back to get my wig laid down. Okay, this is looking good, but my part is on the wrong side. IDN, I like a right side part. So next time, go ahead and give me that right side part. Thank you. So this is how the unit looks. I did not wash the unit because I don't feel like it. The way these curls are looking out the pack, they look pretty good. And the hair is actually really soft. It doesn't have a strong chemical smell, but it does have a chemical smell. So go ahead and wash your unit, you know what I'm saying? But for the sake of me in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just leave her as she is, okay? So don't judge me. I'm gonna pin this up like this and cut off these ear tabs. Hold up, I didn't cut off enough. I can cut off a little bit more. There we go. Make sure this is right. For this one right here, cut this one off. And that's a good amount of lace on the sides for the ear tabs, so I'm happy about that. I think I want to spray this unit down. I'm going to use my Eben spray right here in the front. Make sure this is where I need her to be. Okay, like that. Plug that up. This off. Now I'm going to cut off this part of the lace. This hairline is nice. Very, very nice. All right, I'm not going to spray down all my ear tabs just because the unit is pretty tight on my head thanks to these adjustable straps. So let me just take these off. There we go. Already feels better. It was pulling back on my sides, and since I'm gluing it down, I don't need it to do that. So I'm not gonna spray all the way down to my sides. I'm just gonna spray right up in here. Put my glasses back on so I can see. I'm gonna use some of my Got To Be gel. I'm gonna use that around the border of the lace. Put this on like this. Glasses off again. Smooth that all in like that. All right, let me wrap this down. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Like this. Tightly. All right. And now I'm going to get my makeup done just a little bit, just a little birthday look, and we'll come back and get this hair styled up. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so makeup is done. Now I need to change up my part because I want my hair to go this way. Ooh, it's already giving scalp, baby. I like that. I can't even see what I'm doing, okay? So bear with me, child. I'm not even gonna have to put no powder in here or nothing. So I got my Nairobi mousse and my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush, but I also use it as a curl defining brush. So I wanna get my ends defined, just like that. Better if I work this hair in sections. So let me do that. Stop trying to be lazy. Do it right the first time. I'm trying to eat. Y'all see what's happening here? I mean, I can't really see. I don't got my glasses on. All right, the back may be a little janky, but don't worry about it, okay? Don't worry about it. Okay, and now I'm just gonna tighten up some of these curls on the ends. Not all over, just a little bit, just so I can give me some more definition when it dries. It looks good without my glasses on, so I'm really hoping it looks as good to y'all and when I put my glasses on. I'm getting a little shedding, but even with the shedding that I'm getting, it's not as much as I have seen with other curly units. So I'm here for that. I'm also here for how easy it is to define this wig. When it comes to kinky curly wigs or just curly wigs in general, the hair density can either be really thin or it can be really thick all over. This is definitely giving me thin in the right places and thick in the right places, if you get what I'm saying. It has a really natural density to it, and I really like that about this wig. I am pleasantly surprised with how I think this wig is looking on me. Okay, so let me take off this band while the hair is drying so I can see how the hairline is looking. Glasses on. I see it, I see it. I see the potential, y'all. Oh, the curls are pretty. Come on, girl, blend, blend. Let me brush these back a little bit. I like how that's looking. I'm gonna leave that alone. Y'all, this lace is melted. Do you hear me? The curls are just, yes. Yes. I like this, y'all. Okay. Let me stop. How it's looking right now, I don't wanna dry it down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna diffuse the hair a little bit on cool. No heat. Okay, so leave this one. This little cute little joint. Look at this. Look at this. Ain't she cute?
Somebody come and look at this.
She is cute. I don't want to fluff the hair too much because I want to leave it. I want to leave it like this. Let me finish up the rest of my makeup real quick. Hold up. I really want to do like a little red lip, but I don't know where my red lip is. Uh-oh, this is running out. I want to change the earrings. Ooh, cute. All right, let's put on my bracelet. Screw it back up. Some lotion on. Gotta be smelling good. All right, so how we looking, y'all? Y'all saw what I did, okay? This looks good. That hairline and that lace and that parting space and those bleached knots, this looks so natural. There are no knots showing on this wig, and that has to do with them having scalp knots. Okay, so on cheaper wigs, you may have the normal knots. That is 3 to 4 strands every lace hole. And then next you have invisible knots. That is 2 to 3 strands every lace hole, okay? So it's about 1 to 2 strands less than the normal knots. And then you have scalp knots. Scalp knots is 1 to 2 strands every lace hole. That means you're not seeing that dark knot coming out of one hole. For the scalp knots, because they only use 1 to 2 strands per lace hole, you're not using as much bleach on this unit to blend those knots in, and it's giving you a very scalp-like appearance. I'm here for this wig on me, okay? Never too much, never too much. My birthday is off to a good start. You hear me? Let me turn to the side so y'all can see. Really, really cute. And then this is how she's looking to the back. Ooh, let me back it up, let me back it up. Okay? And this is 14 inches. It's an everyday length for me. I really like how this looks. And I can't get over this hairline. Y'all see the hairline? Hey, y'all see the hairline? This is, y'all, this is nice. I didn't have to pluck nair hair out of this wig. It don't matter where I part it on this frontal, I'm gonna get scalp on this wig. This is, look, I was about to say stunning, like, babe, come see my hair. Put my glasses on because he's not gonna try me. What? Don't put your hands in it. Don't put your hands in it. Now, if you want to find the lace, you can. Don't be anal about it and be like, oh, I see a little line because it's my birthday, okay? Just remember that. This looks really good, right? Mm-hmm. You know, I didn't pluck anything.
Good job, baby.
And I didn't do a ball cap, okay? Y'all know I don't do ball caps. My wig cap is right here. You can see it back here. But it don't matter for the front, cause this is looking, oh, y'all, this looks amazing. Who is gonna check me? I want you to tell me. I want you to tell me that it's not my hair. I triple dog dare you. Prove it, but at 6 feet. Prove it at 6 feet. Okay, you need this one, sis. And Gary. Okay, I know you here. Hey, Gary. Now for this length and density, this unit does seem a little pricey. You may want to go ahead and add her to the Christmas list. Listen, right now, this is one for Daddy Papa. IDNHair. I define natural hair. Thank you. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to IDNHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.